5 frequently asked questions that I get from you guys. You won't want to miss the last one. Number 1, how to ensure proper lighting. Look for natural sources of light, that is soft, even natural sources होना चाहिए. Try करना कि दिन के टाइम पे शूट करो. Avoid shooting against bright backgrounds. It will obscure your subject and it will look. Number 2, the best way to hold the camera or your smartphone in a steady way. While recording, use your both hands like this, so it will make the hold steady. And if you can, then try investing in a tripod. It will give you a pro touch in your videos and it will help eliminate any shaky footage from your video. Number 3, how to add variety to my shots without making it too complicated. I would say for this, explore different angles, different perspectives and see what works best for you. Number 4, should I use the camera's built-in settings or manually adjust them? Well, answer to this is, if you are a beginner, then auto mode is your savior. If you are a beginner, auto mode is your savior. Go for the auto mode. There is nothing off about the auto mode. और फिर धीरे धीरे रिकॉर्ड करते करते जब आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए तब आप मैनुअल सेटिंग्स में डाइव इनटू कर सकते हो. Number 5, how to make your transitions smoother. For a smooth buttery transition, end each shot with a pause. When your shot is ended, take a breath and then stop the button, stop the play button, stop the recording button, and then start the next one with the similar position like I did here. This helps create a seamless flow while editing and it will make your transitions buttery smooth. This is all guys. Bye bye till the next video.